Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
Nongtrei National Health Mission kemudian hapu akshatri jeng NHM Employees Association of Meghalaya haka pratrik unai wing ang rajar posau kila penlong ke 4th Annual General Meeting hasar nongpo haka bau MLA jeng nongpo constituency uba Amiral Buans A ulolong kumukong san baru Secretary jeng Health and Family Welfare Uram Kumar ubulongru Mission Director jeng National Health Mission ulolong kumustumbur kongsan ringkat ke General lang jeng officer jeng National Health Mission berkiwe-kiwe. Hagan gasngi la platform baru yak online web portal nakabentaban register neban pendrung kerteng yak Nongtrei jagan National Health Mission.
Why we go to the office or why we go to the work, why we go to the field, why we go to the hospitals every day to work? It's for the people. You are doing for the same, I am doing for the same, our honorable MLA is doing for the same, and that is the actual purpose. It is not about me going and trying to sit for long hours or etc. and do something and make something. Why? This is all there for only one purpose, to ensure that healthcare of the people, particularly people who could not reach to us in time or those who could reach us in time, we deliver quality healthcare. That is the purpose. When you look at that, then everything becomes very simple. Oh, we are all here for the same purpose. Then we should not have any differences within us. We should all come together, united, and start working together to achieve that goal. So whatever is necessary to do that goal, we should work. If someone is willing to come and help us to do that, we should take them along. If someone is not willing to come, but we require their help, we should go to their house, we should go to their office, sit with them. You know, what is that? Why we require your help? Why don't you help with us? We need to take that. This coming togetherness, that is what I like a lot about today's annual general meeting. It is happening for the 4th time in the last how many years? 6 years. 6 years.
The NHM in the past few years, it has touched to a great height within the state. I have to say this today. It is due to the dedication, the sincerity of the officer, especially Ram Kumar, who are here with us, and all the officials who work tirelessly to make this mission a successful one. As I have said in my opening remark, that the policy maker of our country, be it with the system that has been placed before each and every one of us through the National Rural Health Mission then, and now as National Health Mission. Also with other mission that the Government of India has launched, be it the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, be it the other mission that has been launched by the central government to ensure that each and every initiative that the central and the state government is taking, it has to reach at ground zero. I must confess that as a member of the Legislative Assembly in the government of Meghalaya, I have witnessed various programs within the state and outside the state also, where we had the privilege to listen, to see, to witness the initiative that has been taken by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, at the same time by the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya also.